Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. To do this trend, you need to have Spotify application. Open your Spotify. Then click on your library. Here I have my playlist. If you don't have your playlist, you can create it by clicking on plus icon. Now add your favorite song on your playlist. Add 23 songs on your playlist, which we require for making the video. I already have my playlist. Now open your playlist and take screenshot of all 23 songs. Now, after taking screenshot of all songs, you need VN application. You can download this application from Play Store. Now open VN application. Now go to Settings. Click on Preference and choose Fill Style as Fill. Now click on Default Photo Duration and set photo duration to 6.5 seconds. Now come back and click on plus icon. Now click on New Project and add your one photo or video. Set format 9:16. Delete the end part. Now click on plus icon, then go to Photo. Now click on Settings and set photo duration to 0.2 second. Now add all the 23 screenshots. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now add text. Click on text box to write. I'm writing POV stop texting each other. You can write your own text too. Now click on font and adjust the size. You can also choose color. Now place the text where you want it to appear. Now apply the text layer till the end of first photo. Now check your video. Now export. Now click on Save to Album. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.